Hello, my name is Apurva Samanto. I welcome you to LearnerBuddy. I am creating a new playlist. I guess you know the primary topic of this playlist. It's on copy and paste. Yes, you heard me right. It's on copy and paste. Now you are thinking why I am creating playlist on copy and paste, and every one of us knows it very well as we perform it multiple times on a regular basis. So let us find the answer behind this playlist in this video. Let me open Excel and Notepad. I am opening Excel first. I will go with a blank workbook and let me open Notepad as well. Now let me create a sample table in this Excel and on sheet number 1. So here I will choose two columns. So the first column I will go with its name. Now the second column, let me take country. Third column I can choose as department. So now let me first put a name. So I can put my name. Country is India and department is IT. Now I can just choose a new name, that is John. Let's suppose the country is USA. Let me take the department as education. Let me take a third name, that is Hari. Let's suppose Hari is living in UK and department is law. So we have created a sample table in sheet number 1. Let me create a new sheet, that is sheet number 2. If I need to copy the data from sheet number 1, that is the source, and I need to put the same data into the destination, that is sheet number 2, what I need to do, I just need to copy the whole table. I need to just press Ctrl+C, that is the hotkey for copy, and I need to paste it into sheet number 2. So let me paste it. Here we have got all the data like it was there in sheet number 1. Now, if I don't want the whole data, I just need the column name and the column department in other sheet, that is sheet number 3. How I need to do it? I will copy the column name and I will paste it in sheet number 3. And if I need the column department, I will also copy the column department and I will paste in sheet number 3. If you see previous copy paste from sheet number 1 to sheet number 2, it was very easy because we just copied everything and we pasted everything in sheet number 2. But for sheet number 3, it was a bit difficult because we needed to copy two times, that is for column name and for column department, and we pasted the data in sheet number 3. So we did it in very basic way. But let's suppose in sheet number 1, we have many more columns like roll number. We can take college name as well. We can take many more columns in sheet number 1. But now, if our requirement is that we don't need to copy each and every column from sheet number 1 to a new sheet, that is sheet number 4, we just need two columns as per our choice or as per the requirement from sheet number 1 to sheet number 4. It would be more difficult because we need to select the columns based on our requirement and we need to just copy those and paste it in sheet number 4. Let us do the same thing in Notepad. Suppose I am giving some invoice number A008 84, let's suppose. Now let me take one more invoice ID. Let's suppose it's A, then 0084, then let's suppose F. I'm just keeping a random invoice number. Now, if I need to copy these invoice numbers, then what I need to do, I need to select all, then I need to copy the whole invoice numbers and I need to paste it. Let's suppose I need to paste it in down. So I can do it. Let's suppose I need to paste it in some other tab. Then I need to just paste inside that tab again. So that's it. If you observed that this type of copy paste just go in this sequence, I will be writing in. I am taking a new tab. So how the copy paste works? If we are going to perform a copy paste work, then first of all, we need to select the source. Then what we need to do, we need to just copy the data from that source. That means we need to copy. Now, this copied data will be there inside Clipboard. So, it will be stored in Clipboard. That means the data has been stored in Clipboard as temporary manner. Now, we need to select the destination where the data will be pasted. So, we need to select destination. Now, after selecting the destination, we need to paste the copied data. That means we need to perform paste. So now if we iterate the sequence of a copy pasting job, it will be like this only. First of all, we need to select a source. Then we need to copy the data from the source. The copied data will be there temporarily in clipboard. Then we need to select our destination, and at the last we need to paste the copied data to the destination from clipboard. So this is the sequence of copy pasting job. This copy pasting job can be very easy or it can be a bit difficult as well based on our requirement. But one thing is that it will be time consuming, it will be annoying, and it will be very boring. Now, if I want you to extract the data from some financial document and then we need to just paste those data into some Excel or into any web application or into any form, then it would be very much difficult for you. So let me open one financial document, that is invoice. I have downloaded sample invoices, so let me open one of them. So here is the invoice. If I want to extract few data based on my requirement from this invoice, and if I want to put those data into a new Excel worksheet, that is sheet number 5, then it would be very much time consuming, it would be very much boring, and it would be very much annoying for me. Let's suppose instead of only one invoice, we need to copy the data from more invoices. And let's suppose we are opening the second invoice, that we need to copy the data from second invoice as well. Then it would be very hard for me to copy all the data from all the invoices and paste the data into its destination. Now, from this annoying copy pasting job, UiPath has saved us. Now, you are wondering that how UiPath has saved us from this annoying copy pasting job, right? So let me show you. Let me open Chrome. Let me go with any of my profiles. So let me go with this profile. Now I need to search for UiPath Clipboard AI. UiPath Clipboard AI. Now if I hit enter, so we will be having the first one, that is the tool which will save us from this annoying copy paste job. So let me open it. You can just search for UiPath Clipboard AI in Google. You will be just landed to this page. Otherwise, I will also just provide the direct link of UiPath Clipboard AI in the description of this video. So let us first accept and continue. So here, this is the tool UiPath Clipboard AI recently launched by UiPath. It is very new. It is so new that it is in beta version and available for public review only. Here, the first thing we can just see that here a nice tagline made by UiPath. It's AI for the rest of us to free up the best in us. This is a very nice tagline. I loved it. So here, if you see that here UiPath has written something more that you are meant for bigger and better things than copying data here and pasting it there, what we generally do. So hand off those tasks to Clipboard AI and use the time to create, collaborate, or maybe just caffeinate. So this is the Clipboard AI tool from UiPath which will save us from annoying copy pasting job. I guess now you are thinking that for a copy pasting job we need to select a source and we need to select a destination. What would be the source and destination to work with Clipboard AI? So let me tell you, you can take any sources as per your choice to copy the data from. You may take a Excel as your source. You may take any other application that is Notepad as your source. You may take email, you may take image, you may take any web application, you may take any other third-party application as your source, and you can always take the main same things as your destination too. You can just use any source, any destination as per your requirement. UiPath has covered each and everything. So that's primary introduction of UiPath Clipboard AI, which is a very new tool launched by UiPath and it is open for public review. And as I mentioned that this is in beta testing for now and it is open for public review. I think we have many more questions on Clipboard AI as this is a very new tool from UiPath. Probably now you are thinking that how the Clipboard AI will make a difference in a normal copy paste job. That means how it will segregate the normal copy pasting from the copy pasting with Clipboard AI. Let me tell you, Clipboard AI is a AI enabled tool. It will copy the data from the source, it will analyze the data, and then it will paste the data into your destination very smartly and intelligently with the help of AI. So we'll be having very detailed videos on how to copy the data from any financial document or any other document and paste it into a destination as per your choice in the next videos. So I have resolved one of your doubt, but I know you will be having many more doubts, but I would like to assure you that UiPath has resolved your doubts. So let us go down in this page. As UiPath knows that when it will be launching a new tool, the curious minds will be having many more questions. That's why UiPath has mentioned some frequently asked questions. So here are few questions UiPath wants to answer. First question is Clipboard AI open to everyone? The answer from UiPath is Clipboard AI is currently in beta testing, as I said earlier in this video, and it is open to everyone to get some customer feedback. Second question, what we may have that is Clipboard AI available for free? UiPath says free trial includes 100 copy and paste operations. But I think as this tool is open for public review, so as of now, we will be having unlimited copy paste operations. Now, let's go with the third one. That is, what languages does Clipboard AI support? Answer from UiPath is Clipboard AI can be used with any language that uses the Latin alphabet. Means we can use Clipboard AI with English, Spanish, French, Italian, and many more languages. Fourth question, what we can ask UiPath is what operating system is compatible with Clipboard AI? And we can get a direct answer from UiPath is that Clipboard AI is an application that runs on Windows. Okay, so these are few frequently asked questions or FAQ that we may have, and UiPath has provided answers all the questions. We got an introduction of UiPath's most recent tool, that is Clipboard AI. So in the next video, we will find how to download and install UiPath's Clipboard AI to explore it more. Thank you so much for staying with me to have an introduction of UiPath Clipboard AI. Don't forget to subscribe LearnerBuddy to stay connected with LearnerBuddy and learn together with LearnerBuddy. Thank you.